Alright, so we're on Ubuntu CTF. I actually don't know the actual name of this thing. Just said Ubuntu CTF. Welcome to the land of Pawnland, huh? Alright, let's go ahead and check that out, like right there, at port 80. We did a map scan. We got 83306 and 33060. Let's go ahead and check out that land of Pawnland. About Moonlight, huh? It's a new one. An update Twitch, so we're doing Moonlight maybe? I think we're gonna be doing Moonlight? I don't know. I have no idea. Alright. Nothing there. Contact. What this is all about, like right here. If we're actually going to contact something or not. Let's go ahead and try also a MySQL. We'll try for root with no password. Nope. Okay, let's try it on attack P33060. Root no password. Root Tor. Root admin. Oh, because I'm telling it to use the password, aren't I? I forgot to do MySQL with a different port. Crap for port. Okay, capital P. 33060, I believe it was. Alright. 33060 and 3306. Okay. So we're not finding anything just yet in here. Template Moonlight, huh? Let's go and search play Moonlight. Mono Moonlight generic type argument privilege escalation. I don't think that's gonna be it, like right there. I don't think that's gonna be it. Okay. So we could always try. We could always try to do some type of you know, permission to look at this. Brute force on MySQL. But I don't know if we really want to try that just yet. iframe source. Oh, it's the Google Maps. Never mind. Okay. Date picker. Is this the thing? Real thing like right here. Let's go ahead and run Fear Buster while we're doing all this, huh? Get rid of all that, like right there. We go ahead and throw the IP address over here. Let's see what we got here. Image AA. It's a weird one, isn't it? I feel like that's a weird one. Image AA, huh? Okay, it's the person, okay. I'm not really finding anything yet in this guy. So server status, I don't really see anything over here either. Main. What this Moonlight thing is all about. It's kind of weird. Moonlight template. version of so they run again? 2.4.41. I think that's a good version. You can always check that like right there. And it looks like it's also 2.4.41, huh? We get somewhere on this thing. Oh, I don't want to do that. Yeah, not gonna find anything with that. Okay. One second. Okay. Land upon, huh? The only thing I got so far is this contact. But usually anything to do with contact, it usually has something like, you know, like if you send this in, then it'll do this. I'm not really seeing anything else. Nothing over here yet for the Ferox Buster. Well, the other day I did have to use big dot text, and I found like more stuff. It was pretty funny because usually big dot text doesn't find nearly as much. We got CSS in there, okay. Can always try that like right there. That just seems to just kill it like right there, but morning, how you doing? Oh yeah, yeah. Hey, anytime. It was a long time coming. So had to do something, right? No CGI directories. CSS in here. I did one time where there was something in the CSS. That's definitely a 301 though. Then we also have fonts, which is probably gonna be forbidden also. Yeah. We have image here. And so far we have nothing. So this one's a little bit rough like right here, huh? So far we have absolutely nothing so far to go off of for this guy. Hopefully find something soon. I have no idea what to go off this guy with. What we got from Wappleizer, Google Font, Apache, Bootstrap, Modernizer, jQuery. This Modernizer. Does this do anything? Do we have any more ports open? Because last time, remember we had to like run it like 4 times to get all the ports. Yeah, we got those ones like right there. Go ahead and do the 33060. Just make sure that is actually true. Go and fingerprint that guy. That hold app search. Okay. I don't know what's going on with that, like right there. I don't even know what's even put into, was it the like if we were gonna try like brute force it, I don't even know what's even put in there. We don't even have a name yet. Nothing. Huh. Okay. 1 second. This is the only thing that's in English right here. I want to do a search exploit for that. Nope. Various free CSS templates are available for immediate downloads. What is this? Why can't I click on you guys? Do we have to do some type of... I'm going to open this up in a new page. Okay. That's strange. I mean, it's not strange, but just want to try something like this. Just want to fuff it. You share a wordless sec list. This fuzzing, I believe. No, discovery. I think it's a DNS, I believe. Why use nameless? No. Subdomains? No. Okay, nothing like that. Okay, never mind. Might want to do something like that though, huh? Web content. I always try to like big dot text, something like that with it. Tag FW 152. Or no, tag FW 403. Sorry. Nothing. I didn't know if it was gonna be like some type of like command injection or something like that. Nothing though. That is weird. Very, 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 very strange. Sorry, I got a bunch of stuff with work right now also, so I'm gonna be hopping kind of back and forth between doing stuff. Did I already search exploit for Moonlight? We have that like right there. Go ahead and do like a look up something like a Moonlight exploits. Vulnerabilities exploits. Mono. When Moonlight for that is used, does not provide validate arguments to generic methods. Oh, the remote side bypass generic constraints, possibly execute arbitrary code via crafted. Okay. I don't know what the version of Moonlight is. Go and try to do an MF scan again. Not what I wanted. I want this. That doesn't have anything about Moonlight in it. We just see Moonlight and that's it. But we don't know anything else about it now, do we? Wait, why is the MSF console found? What the fuck? Where did MSF console go? Did that just go away? What? Why is... Why did Metasploit just left? Yeah. Why did Metasploit framework just go away? What? Never had to do this before. I don't think I've ever had to install Metasploit on Kali Linux before, because it just comes with it. We are doing, I don't know. I have no idea what the name is. It just says Ubuntu CTF, but I don't think that's the name of it. But for some reason, like right now, we can't. We just lost Metasploit. It just deleted itself or something. I don't know. Metasploit just went away. And I don't think I've ever had to install Metasploit on Kali Linux at least. The fuck? What has happened? What is going on here? Why is it being weird? Nobody knows. Still the same ports. Don't know what's going on over here, why it's being so weird, but what the hell? That's something else to me. I've never seen that one before. Or it just goes away. That's a new one for me. Like right there, that's 100% a new one for me. Or at least it works now. At least it's looking like it's working. We want to search for Moonlight, right? Nothing. Okay. Supposedly, execute code, bypass restriction, or similar. Authentication is not required. There's no place to even authenticate, so. I have no idea. Let's go to Moonlight Hack Tricks. See if this is anything. Nope. So I don't think it's this Moonlight thing at all. Mono Hack Tricks. Let's keep seeing Moonlight and Mono together. Nope. Okay, so I don't think it's that. But I also have no clue. No idea. Castromi, how you doing? We are very lost like right now. And I have no idea like really even how to even start getting into this guy. Unless if it's going to be something with these things like right here, which I'm not going to go through every single one of those. You guys know that. Not about that life. Some fake steganography ass shit. Wonder if, let's use Burp Suite. Let's go ahead and refresh this guy and see if he's referencing somewhere else, to see if maybe we got to put something in our Etsy host and we get a different page. See what happens here. We shouldn't, because we will. Welcome to the land of Pawnland. Goldstein. The only thing we've seen so far is Template Mo and Moonlight. Those are the only two things that we've seen so far. We have neither of those two things are doing anything crazy. Let's go ahead and check out if we're getting cookies. Nothing. Okay, no cookies. Okay. Yeah, I'm doing all right. This box is either that or all the ports aren't up. One of them two. Last time we could at least tell because we had a guy named Jenkins on the box. This time we actually have no idea. It's kind of insane though. Should I shut it off and turn it back on? So I had to do that last time, didn't I? I had to shut it off and then turn it back on. So let's go ahead and do that like real quick. Let's go ahead and we're going to shut this guy off. We're going to turn him back on. And we'll see what happens. Maybe there's nothing actually wrong with it. So, let me turn this guy back on. Maybe it's just in a Ubuntu box. There's nothing actually wrong. We just do that. Mystery 807, how you doing? Just wait for this guy to start back up again. Alright, let's go ahead and run into the mmap. Attack SN on again, and we'll see if we get anywhere. This one might be a bust. Saying that that's it. And we didn't have anything in this guy, right? And nothing in here. Nothing that stood out to us at least. It's kind of crazy. Huh. Does this have something to do with it? Is this something like right here? That's good. Alright. Cool. So that's nothing. This is getting a little crazy. I've never seen anything like this before. Alright. All those are 301s. Big dot text didn't find anything for us also, right? Let's go and enumerate subdomains. Or, yeah. Let's go and do a fuff. Tac u HTTP fuzz dot 192. Whoops. 192.168.0.48, or we could just do vhost. We could always use GoBuster. Vhost. Tac URL. Or tac u 192. Geez, I'm lost today. 192.168.0.48. User share wordless. We'll start with big dot text. Let's try something like that at first, and then we'll go from there. Okay. Let's do medium.text and turn up the threads. But right now, I don't know. Unless we want to try to brute force wordless rocky.txt on MySQL. I don't like brute forcing MySQL because it can lock you out pretty easily. But I don't really see what else to actually do here. I guess we get locked out of this one. We always have, yep, there it goes. 33060. Okay, it's a little bit different. Okay, we're getting somewhere. But I don't know what the username is though also. I'm hoping it's root, but I actually have no idea what the username is, so you know, that's not too helpful now, is it? So I guess we'll just brute force that for like a minute and talk about life. How's everyone doing? Really more or less just working like right now, so like I was brute forcing. I mean, it's trying. Did 4 tries. Don't want to try too much, you know. Don't go too fast with it. So it might be like a multi-day box or something, you know. Something like that. If anybody's got any ideas, feel free to throw them out there. I'll be more than happy to take any ideas at all. Alright, we got the images. We have a couple of JavaScript things in here also. CSS 1.4.2, which I'm pretty sure is actually vulnerable. It's cross-site scripting, I think it is. Yeah, main.js plugins at date picker. We looked at date picker. Everything else is pretty ugly looking. What is the... Okay, like that. That's what I was wondering. Checking templates. If empty, tab undefined. Okay. I don't even have it up on my phone because I've been watching that for work and everything too. So let me go ahead and actually get that up and running on my phone too, huh? There we go. Okay. OSCP like machine. Yeah, it's something. I mean, only if you brute force though. That's an OSCP like machine. Relative position, current slide, unbind, increment, delay, change. Scroll down, one link clicked. Show JS files. Okay, we found. Okay. We found something. Try to throw that in there, maybe. Stop. Whatever you're doing, stop trying to do it. What's this? Like right here. I don't know if I need that 5.122 or not, but I feel like there's probably something wrong with that guy then. Oh. I'm an admin. Admin password. Okay. Let's go ahead and look this up, like right here. Search exploit. Can't not find this shit. Search exploit. I think I really just want to look. Remote code execution authenticated. Persistent cross-site scripting. Remote code execution. Doesn't say if it's authenticated or not, but I feel like it probably is. Let's stop attacking this guy over here. Mess up console. What version we have again? 5.1.22, and this is for 5.1.11. Let's go ahead and look up 5.1.22 exploits. Okay. Seed DMS, is that what that said? Is that what this is? Yeah, seed DMS, okay. Vulnerabilities. Multiple vulnerabilities. Low. What are they? Cross-site request forgery, cross-site request forgery, cross-site request forgery. Okay. Nothing really too big in there just yet. Well, the real question is it actually 5.1.22? Because that's 5.1x. So we do have a remote code execution, right? Seed MS, nope. Okay, nothing in there. Let's go ahead and read this, I guess. Logging the application. Okay. Well, that's not going to be very helpful for us now, is it? All right. Let's go ahead and see if this is even a... Let's go ahead and see if there's anything on CMS hack tricks. Hack the box pit, hack stuff, CTS solution. What is this? CMS. Alright, cool. People got a lot of things on CMS. I think I actually did see something in there, right here. That's for hack the box, but CMS. Huh. Okay. Still not really getting much out of it though now, are we? Shit. Let's go ahead and check out the, see if there's anything else in there. Let's go ahead and check out this whole guy. You never know. I didn't think so. Okay. We'll check out this whole thing first. Let's go ahead and do a Fear X Buster on that. Whoa. What we got going on here? Stop. 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 Okay. Let's try this again. Out, doc, languages, styles, incorporated utils, views. I think still 301, so not really getting much information on that guy. Web dev, install. Not really getting much out of this thing, are we? Every still thing is, hey, you can't go there. That's kind of what I figured was going to happen there. Yep, forbidden. Not really getting very far with this thing now, are we? Okay. No idea. Try to look at every single thing in here, but okay, there's a 200 like right there. Read me. Let's go for it. See if we can at least read it. Still saying 5.1.22, so I feel like it's 5.1.22, but I mean, who really knows, right? Please help files in here. Okay. Place help files in here. Okay. Super helpful, like right there. See if we can find some things in here. CMS, maybe configuration files. Settings.xml. What is this? Oh, really? XML version 1.0. Okay. Where is it? Saw LDAP stuff before on 33060 now, didn't we? Please try that. Comp settings.xml. Okay. I'll say dispose, including database name, database user, and passwords. Whichever. Is this a problem with it? Like, did we just stumble onto the solution? Is this like a thing? Like a real life thing? Or are we just barking up the wrong tree here? I feel like we're just barking up the wrong tree. What's going on down here? Let's try to get to comp first. Why did it take so long? Oh, probably because this thing's still going, huh? Okay. Does that work? Oh! Shit, okay. XML file does not appear to have any style information, okay. We're pretty sure that it is XML version 1, right? So can we find a username and password in here? Because that's what it said. Is that we could do that. Now where? Okay, no enable guest log on. This could be funny. We're going to find the username and password. We're not going to be allowed in because we already tried to brute force 3306, huh? That's what's going to make it funny. Like right there. I tried admin at first, but I couldn't find anything. So, display. Oh, DB driver, MySQL, DB hostname, localhost, DB user, seed DMS, DB password, seed DMS. Okay. Can we just hop into it? Okay. Wait. Seed DMS. It's going to tell me no. Yeah, we're going to have to restart the machine. Okay. That's okay. We're getting somewhere. We know to go to seed DMS now. I'm going to restart the machine like real quick. Because we got way too excited with the password. Alright, that was something else. Okay. Okay, we're getting there. I'm going to make notes for this guy, huh? Go ahead and start up, where's my notes at? Do a little CDMS. Open file, recent documents, notes. Bam. Okay, so we got web. And then I think I have a CMS tag right here, yeah. So we'll do seed DMS, right? Boom, boom. And I'll show this thing right here. I don't think that's part of it, but that's okay. And then we'll go into here. Nope. Go into here. We'll show this like right here. Boom. Okay. Then we scrolled down and we found some authentication here, right? Okay. So we got a database user and database password, we think. Let's go ahead and try that. See if the box is up yet. Nope. Seed DMS. We're in. Okay. Show tables. Or show databases, sorry. So we got CDMS, sys, MySQL. Let's go ahead, I guess we'll check out CDMS and see if anybody does some password reuse here. We're going to go with right. So let's go ahead and do a use seed DMS. Show tables. Good. Okay, we got users. Select star from users. Sackett. And then there's the employee password, like right there. So we got a guy named Sackett, huh? I feel like I've seen this name before, actually. Let's go ahead and SSH. Do we even have SSH actually open on this? No. We have port 80 and 3306. Okay, but we do have a password, hopefully, to at least be able to get into the thing now, right? Let's go ahead and pop back over into our CDMS login page here, right? Then we kind of did that. Sackett. And then we had that, right? Language, I guess English. That was good. What about CDMS and CDMS? Does that work? Okay, that worked great for me, actually. Maybe it's SAURAV. Okay, maybe it's. I just got to try to figure out how they actually did that thing right there, right? Because port 22 user password history is interesting. What do you mean by that? Was there a user password history up here? Events, group member, users password history. Okay. User password request. Maybe I'll look at that too, and CBL users too, huh? So we'll definitely look at those two because that could be something also. We also want to look at just MySQL because I'm wondering if it's even CDMS is even the login for this thing. Like, because we had that show databases, right? We had MySQL also. I am not doing good tonight, huh? Okay, and then it comes out whatever the hell that says, like right there. I hate how MySQL does it. It puts everything in that one freaking thing, like right there. It's like, okay, cool. Do we have any passwords in here? I was thinking MySQL also, and seeing if there's anything inside there because we got the CDMS, but I mean, we don't know what the fuck. Can't read any of it because it's MySQL and it drops it out like an asshole, which is kind of, you know. Okay, let's go ahead and do. Okay, let's go ahead and use show databases again, right? Databases. Use sys or use seed DMS. Show tables. Table users. Select star from table users. Okay. Now we got another password. I wonder if that's actually, is that hashed, I'm wondering? I wonder if that's actually hashed or not. I mean, I would think it would be. But depending on who we are, right? We may, that might just be an MD5 also. Yeah, probably just MD5. We may, depending on who we are, we may be able to just change administrator's password. Also, we could do like a password update or something like that. Let's go ahead and do a nano hash.text. John's been really bad lately with trying to figure out what the hell the password is. Like really bad. Okay, so he's not cracking that like right there. Okay. So let's go ahead and maybe just change it. Like the administrator's password. I don't know if it's actually going to work or not. Login's admin. So we can log in as an admin maybe. So that would be an update table, right? So we gotta do an update table users, right? I think that's just that. Do we need a little thing afterwards? No, we want to set password. Okay, let's see here. Set password for locals equals password. Oh, there's a much easier way to do it. There's a set password, and then we can do, I think, a username afterwards. So we need to do an MD5. We need to give an MD5 hash first. So we need to do an MD5 hash. Admin, generate. Thank you, MD5. Thank you very much. Okay. So we can set password where user equals admin. Login. I don't think that's correct. Set password equals where login equals admin. Let's go ahead and do it like this also. Okay, let's go. I hate SQL. Put that in there for it. Okay, so we can now log in as admin. We know that much. Okay. Let me go ahead and just do a quick MySQL. Do I have MySQL over here? I don't know if I do or not. Like update password or anything like that. Do I have MySQL in here? Oh, why would I? That would be smart, huh? Okay, so let's go ahead and try to log into that now. Admin, English. Okay, we are here. Add document. Okay, so we can definitely put in a document. It's like a PHP or what is this? We did have remote code execution, right? We did have remote code execution. Well, we don't know if we actually have remote code execution or not because the thing was too high, right? That port supposedly was too high, right? But let's see where he supposedly did. Document ID 1 PHP command equals. Okay. So example data. Okay. So supposedly we can upload something, right? And go to there. We were in the upload section. Well, this say document, didn't it? This said document in there. So we have version information 1, local file. Let's go ahead and grab a copy locate shell.php. Copy this guy. Copy under like right there. And then we'll do a sublime classic shell.php. We'll go ahead and we'll change this out. All right, we'll change our information, right? I don't know what the hell my IP address is like right now. Alright, config. We'll change this out. Port 53 is fine. $29, right? Okay. Let's go ahead and save that. Let's go ahead and start a listener on port 53. Okay, on port 53, right? Let's go ahead and move PHP to shell.php, right? Make it a little bit easier to type in here. Local file, browse, and we're in VulnHub, and we call this shell.php, right? Okay. Document info, I don't think any of that matters. Add document. Did it do it? I don't know if it added it or not. Owner is the administrator, right? Yep. Name is going to be shell. Comment, hi. Yeah, where's uploading to also? But I think, well, okay, so according to where the hell it went, I catted it. According to our cat that we did, right? According to this guy right here, he uploaded this problem like right here, uploaded to document underscore ID and then 1.php. So ours would be like version 1, hopefully something like that. And can we add document now? I don't know if it's fucking doing anything or not. I have no idea if that's actually doing anything or not. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and I guess just come back over here. Cause that, okay. Is this new? No. ID 1. Okay, so yeah, we got shell.php. So that was the most useless document upload I've ever seen in my entire life. If we click on it, what happens? Okay, now we have to go to, I think, we might be able to use burp speed for it, but I'm just going to try this this guy like right here, because he's already kind of saying, hey, go here, then document ID. So what document ID are we? Okay, I'm going to go over 1. So we should technically just be able to go to that document. .php maybe? Or is it going to be shell.php? I don't know where the hell to find the document ID at. Burp speed might be able to help us out with that. Shell.php. Okay, ID is 4. Okay, so we're number 4. Okay. So instead of 1, we want to go to 4, right? So I'm thinking that we have to go to, where's our little thing at here? Data that 4 dot shell.php, I'm thinking. And I don't know if we want the whole thing or just the 51x or what we actually want. I don't know, but we're going to figure it out. So let's go ahead and just try like right here. slash shell.php. Not found. Okay, what about 1.php? Slash shell.php, right? Because that's the ID document number, right? Okay, what about 1.php? Oh, let's freaking go! Okay. Oh wait, what was it? Can you just right click the name for? Oh yeah, probably could do that too. Sorry, Sorry, K Ninja. I just saw that. Oh, and I'm also getting. Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy! Court martials. That's what. Let's go. You know, if you're gonna do something, then you better get court-martialed doing it right. All right. Okay. Now, what is next? Let's go ahead and get a full shell here first, because I do not want to get dropped out of this. I am also wondering. Okay, so we did have that one guy earlier, right? Which I never wrote down his password because I'm an asshole. But we did have that one Sackett guy earlier, which I'm wondering if he's in here. Of course he is. So we have to get that Sackett guy's password again. Right? That's what I'm thinking. Maybe we can SU over into Sackett. And it was like Sackety something, right? There it is. So let's go ahead and try to SU over into Sackett. Can we do that? Let's go. Okay, cool. All right. Sudo tac L. Doesn't look like we're allowed to do that just yet, but let's try to put in his password. Let's fucking go. SU. I mess it up. We can run, sudo su. There we go. I'm sitting there like, what is going on? All right, there we go. CD into root. Cat root.txt. Do we even have a root.txt? I don't even know. CD in desktop. We'll try it in there. I mean, you know if you root it or not, right? Don't really need a root.txt for VulnHub stuff. We're not putting it anywhere. Let's frickin' go. Let's go ahead and see if they actually have a user arranging at that. Scripts. See if they actually have like a user.txt. Please summarize all that? I don't know. I don't know what that. I don't even know what box we're on. I still don't know this box's name. But what we did was we found the hardest part about this. I feel like was finding this like right here. So on the main page here, right? 192.168, all this. Okay. We ended up doing a Control U, and we could not find anything. So we ended up finally just looking at the different JavaScript plugins. I forgot what the comments were for JavaScript, so I was just looking at just comments, which is just 2 slashes. And whenever we were looking at that, right, we ended up finding at the bottom here to go to seed ms51x, right? So then we went here to seed ms51x, right? And we got this logger page. We tried admin, all this other stuff, right? We couldn't get anywhere with that. So from there, we looked at the config file for it, which we found out that we could go to conf/settings.xml, right? Which, was that even it? Oh, it might be, is it like this? See, I'm already lost. See, I already lost it. How did we get there again? We went to conf, and then, let's see, we looked it up somewhere. It was somewhere. We did a conf XML or a, yeah, wasn't it /conf? It's like, you're not allowed to go here. And we were like, no, we're going to keep trying to go here. And then it was settings XML, wasn't it? I thought it was at least. /conf settings XML, yeah. Okay, so yeah, we went here. We found that we have XML version 1. So this would spin out a lot of information, right? We scrolled down and we found the, where is it at? Right here. Okay, we found the database user and password. From there, we logged in the database. We had to restart the machine because we were a dumbass, right? So from there, we logged in the machine. We got into MySQL. We went into the CDMS portion of it, right? I still didn't look at the user password history, so I'm not following that. Let's go ahead and see if we can look at that real quick. But from there, we got into here. Okay, it's empty. And we did log in as CDMS, right? It was CDMS. Okay, we did log in as that. We didn't know what our rights were, but we couldn't crack the admin's password that we got from table users, right? We did get the user's password, which was that one that we just used over here. So if I do a select star from users, we do get his password, but SSH is not open, right? And this one also was not able to log in. So we realized that the only people that could log in to CDMS was admin. We changed his password, right? Utilizing this, like right here, update table users set password. We MD5 hashed admin as the password, where login equals admin. So now the password became admin. We were then able to log into it. Once we logged into it, into CDMS, we were able to create that reverse shell following an old exploit, right? Following someone else's older exploit that didn't technically work on this version. We were just not using cat Etsy password. We were just trying to get a reverse shell. So we uploaded that, and I don't remember where that's even at. Oh, that was down here, wasn't it? Whenever I catted it or whatever. So we ended up going to this guy's exploit, okay, that we found whenever we search for CDMS, and we have /data 104 whatever, our document ID, which is number 4, 1.php, right? We ended up going there, giving us our reverse shell. From there, we used Sackit because we went to CD home, saw Sackit as a user, put in the employee password, that got on, and then he could run anything with sudo. So, way too much power. Yeah, some idiot, yeah. And I still don't even know what box this is, so we're going to try and figure out with this, like right here, because I don't know the name of this box. So let's try and figure it out with this information, like right here, see what we find. Hack me, please. Okay, so this one is called Hack Me, Please. So it takes all the way up to the end of the box to actually figure out what the name of it was. Wow, that was something else like right there. Okay, cool. We did it. We got it.